Welcome to BIMWork YouTube channel. Today lesson is how to link a Revit file. Open Mechanical Template Project. Save file. Choose a file path and type file name. File saved. Click Manage tab. Click Manage Link button. We can see Manage Link dialog box. Click Add button. Choose your Revit link file. Click Open. Now you can see List in the link file. Link file is loaded. Click OK. Select Link File, and click Pin tool to lock a modeling element in place. When you pin a modeling element, it cannot be moved. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe and bell button. Have a nice day.